A bumper harvest starts with efficiency. Welcome to the world of professional agricultural equipment. This is the Alperpose Combine Harvester produced by our company, Shanghai Honggang Machinery. It brings higher yields and lower costs to your farm, integrating harvesting, threshing, cleaning, and straw handling. It finishes the work of dozens of people in 1 hour, greatly shortening the harvest cycle and ensuring timely harvesting. With a wide cutting width, large grain tank, and high-speed unloading, it operates continuously without shutdown, making every minute count. One machine for multiple uses, it easily harvests rice, wheat, corn, soybeans, sorghum, and many other crops. One machine replaces several, delivering a higher return on investment. Strong and reliable, powered by a high-performance engine and a heavy-duty chassis, it runs steadily even in muddy fields and sloughed areas, with low failure rate, durability, and ease of use. Low loss and low consumption, precise threshing and cleaning keep the loss rate below 1%. Optimized oil circuit design reduces fuel consumption, saving more money in long-term operation. Panoramic cab for simple, comfortable operation, free from fatigue even during long hours of work. We provide global parts support and professional after-sales service, so you can purchase and use with complete confidence. Choose us and choose an efficient, stable, and high-return harvesting solution. We look forward to cooperating with you for a fruitful and win-win future.